Unit 5. Chapter 1. We are opposites. 1. Listen, sing and enact. Children, do you know what are opposite words? If not, don't worry. Let's sing a poem and learn some opposite words. We are opposites, and I'll tell you more. I say after and you say before. I come in and you go out. We are opposites. Let's give a shout. I look up and you look down. I like to walk. You run to town. I am small, as smaller can be. You are big, much bigger than me. I say stop and you say go. We are opposites, I told you so. We are opposites, it's like I said before. Think on your own if you want any more. I think it's hot, you think it's cold. I say it's new, you say it's old. It's interesting, don't you think so?